on and so forth. So we want to try something. Let me comment out these lines just for us to see that's how the comments actually behave. But you're all doing visual programming, so I do understand that actually this will feed perfectly. And as you can tell, the LED does not blink at all because obviously it's commented. So we can start off by using variables. So at the top there, which is if it was normal, so you'll be preprocessor directive, we can define an integer. So we define int, let's call it LED pin. And we say that is equal to 13. And each line ends with a semicolon. So what the issue with this code is that once I change something here, I need to go, once I change the pin, I need to go to all of them to change the line of code there. That's not very efficient. So I can just use a variable. So LED pin, LED pin, LED pin throughout. Please note it's C++, which means it's case sensitive. If you get a case wrong, you will get an error. But in actual Arduino, obviously quite similar as well. You can use the Arduino IDE. We can talk about the Arduino IDE at another time, but we are not doing physical programming, so that's okay. Right, so if I run this, you see the LED blinking, quite similar. So what we can do is to change the pin. So I'll change this to pin 12, for instance. If you don't mind, I'll zoom out a little bit, this one. So if I change this to pin 12, you notice the onboard LED pin will blink, but this one will not blink when I start this simulation. Advantage of, so you've got it on there, and the LED is not blinking on there. So basically, let me make this 1000 so it's smooth. So basically, each pin you use in the setup, you need to configure it properly. So just connect this to pin 12. The zoom doesn't really help this one much, but connect that to pin 12, and then we can view the output, start simulation, and I expect it to blink. Great. So if you have followed so far, at this point, you should be familiar with the environment. When you finish, I know it gives it some funny names, like this one is something. You can say, you click on there and you can give it a name. Hello world, MCA for modern computer architecture. And once you save it, basically, if you go into your Tinkercad, so if you go into your Tinkercad, you'll find it there under circuit, and you can simulate it